Hello kids! Welcome to Science 4. For today, we're going to have a short review of your past lesson this quarter 1. Come on, prepare your pen and paper. We have here 40 item test. You are going to write the letter of the correct answer from number 1 to number 32. Come on, let's start. Number 1. Cotton is a material that allows air and water to pass through it. How will you classify this material? A. It does not absorb water. B. It is a non-porous material. C. It is a porous material. Or letter D. It sinks. Go. Time is up. The correct answer is letter C. Number 2. Why do some materials absorb water? A. Because some materials have tiny holes that let the water in. B. Some materials are soft that cannot easily get water in. C. Some materials are made of vinyl. Or letter D. Some materials are expensive. Go. The correct answer is letter A. Number 3. Why would some people prefer to use plastic bag than a paper bag? A. Because paper bag easily get damaged when wet. B. Because plastic bag is durable and non-porous. C. Because plastic bag easily get wet. D. Because paper bags are not available in the market. Go. Ballpens up. The correct answer is letter B. Number 4. Why do some people use floaters in swimming pools? A. It keeps them sunk in the water. B. It lessens their weight. C. It keeps them floated in the water. D. A, B, C are correct. Go. Ballpens up. The correct answer is letter C. Number 5. A glass of water is spilled on the table. You want to dry the table at once. What are you going to use? A. Tissue paper. B. Cotton. C. Handkerchief. D. Rag made of cloth. Go. Ballpens up. The correct answer is letter D. We have here 3 boxes with different words inside. For letter A, we have malunggay leaves, rice, cabbage, and beans. For B, we have empty plastic bottle, glass bottles, tin can, and soft drinks bottle. Letter C, we have broken pail, candy wrapper, broken glass, and plastic wrapper. Here's the question for number 6. Which group of materials will undergo decay? Is it A and B, B, A only, C and A, D, B only? Go. Ballpens up. The correct answer is letter B, A only, which is malunggay leaves, rice, cabbage, and beans. Number 7. Which group of materials that can be recycled? A, C only, B, B only, C, A and C, or letter D, A and B. Go. Ball pens up. The correct answer is letter B. Number 8. Diseases can be get in insect bites. What kind of disease was spread by specific type of mosquito? A. Dysentery. B. Diarrhea. C. Dengue. D. Typhoid. Go. Ball pens up. The correct answer is letter C. Number 9. Diseases can be get from polluted water. What specific waterborne disease can we get if we drank the polluted water caused by Salmonella typhi? A. Dysentery. B. Malaria. C. Diarrhea. Letter D. Typhoid. Go. Ball pens up. The correct answer is letter D. Typhoid. Number 10. If you are going to dispose waste materials commonly found at home, what are you going to do with the decaying materials? A. Mix them with the non-decaying materials. B. Keep them in the cabinet and use them again. C. Make a compost. Or letter D. Throw them in the river. Go. Ball pens up. The correct answer is letter C. Make a compost. Number 11. What are the meaning of 5 R's? A. Reduction, rebuild, reduce, reuse, recycle. B. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repair, rot. Letter C. Reinvent, recycle, reused, rotten, reduce. Or letter D. Reduction, rebuild, revent, repair, reclassify. Go. Ball pens up. The correct answer is letter B. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repair, and rot. Number 12. What are the effects of decaying materials to one's health and safety? A. Exposure to decaying materials will make people sick. B. Exposure to decaying materials will make people healthy. C. Exposure to decaying materials will make people happy. D. Exposure to decaying materials will make people wise. Go. Ball pens up. The correct answer is letter A. 13. Wastes that are not properly disposed may blank. Is it A. Become breeding places of pests such as mosquitoes and flies? B. Cause loss of humus soil? C. Speed up the materials to decay? D. Allow free flow of rainwater runoff? Go. Ball pens up. The correct answer is letter A. 14. If you exposed to garbage, what kind of illness would you probably get? A. Heart failure. B. Asthma. C. Goiter. D. Nosebleed. Go. Ball pens up. The correct answer is letter B. Asthma. 15. What safety precaution do you need to observe in disposing waste materials? A. Taste and touch waste materials before disposing them. B. Use gloves or adequate equipment in handling waste materials to prevent puncture by sharp items. C. Keep the waste materials in your kitchen. D. Expose yourself to the waste materials. Go. Ball pens up. The correct answer is Letter B. 16. Noel was playing with his modeling clay. As he pressed the clay, he was able to form different material as shown in the pictures below. How will you describe the changes in the materials? A. The clay changed its size and color. B. The clay changed its size and shape. B. The clay changed its volume and odor. D. The clay changed its volume and color. Go. Ballpens up. The correct answer is letter B. 17. The chocolate was flattened when inserted in the bag. What process took place in its physical change? A. Hammered. B. Pressed. C. Bend. D. Cut. Go. Ballpens up. The correct answer is letter B. Pressed. 18. Alexandria cuts a piece of paper. Describe what happens to the property of the pieces of paper when it was cut. A. The piece of writing pad changed its size and shape. B. The piece of writing pad changed its odor and texture. C. The piece of writing pad changed its color and texture. D. The piece of pad paper changed its texture and weight. Go. Ballpens up. The correct answer is letter A. 19. What change would happen in the properties of water when placed inside the freezer? A. It becomes liquid. B. It changes in color. C. It becomes solid. D. It evaporates. Go. Ballpens up. The correct answer is letter C. It becomes solid. 20. What happened when the materials were heated? It changes its A. Size, B. Shape and form, C. Texture, D. All of the above. Go. Ballpens up. The correct answer is letter D. All of the above. That's all, kids. Please watch the part 2 or the continuation of this video. Thank you for listening.